Ginger lovers, are you in the building? Make some noise. I have something interesting for us. Are you tired of pairing your tea with bread? Then Lady C got your back. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. In a mixing bowl, I'll be sifting wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour or soft flour. All right. Once that is done, I move in with baking powder, milk flavor. You can substitute the milk flavor with milk powder. All right. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar, all-purpose spice, curry powder, then go ahead and mix. Remember, you can always use any spices in your kitchen to prepare this recipe. All right. Now I'm moving with a tablespoon of margarine. I am using margarine. You can also use butter. Once that is done, I move in with my fingers and start mixing till everything comes together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, I am going to set it aside. Now, in another bowl, I added 1 egg. Now, here comes the VIP of the day, freshly grated ginger. I will advise you use fresh ginger, please, alright? I'll be using about a tablespoon. Now, I added water. Now, if you don't want the egg, you can skip egg, all right? It's not a must, okay? Mix everything to combine very well. Now, back to the dry ingredients. I am going to transfer the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Once that is done, I move in with my fingers and start mixing till I form a dough. Please be sure to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. All right, I'll also drop the list at the comment section. All right, now I transfer the dough to the work surface. Continue mixing and kneading till I form a smooth popping dough. Just look at the color. I'm loving it. Popping dough. If you are with me at this moment, type popping dough. I love the color. The color was as a result of the curry powder we added, all right? Okay, now I divided the popping dough into 3 equal parts. I am going to take out Mr. A and B and set them aside. I'll be working with Mr. C. I dusted the work surface with some flour, place Mr. C, moving with a rolling pin and start rolling to flatten Mr. C. A beautiful shout out to you, Sylvia, watching from Nigeria. Oluchuku, watching from Liberia. Princess from Oka. Christiana Jumoke, watching from Kwara State. And Fidila, all the way from Algeria. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, after rolling, this is what Mr. C looks like. Now you can see the thickness is not too thin, alright? It shouldn't be too thin, okay? Once you are done rolling, go ahead and fold as demonstrated. Don't be too hard on it, okay? After folding, you should have something like this. It is time to cut. I'm sure you have a knife in your kitchen. With a knife, you are going to cut as demonstrated, all right? After cutting, you should have these beauties looking at us. It is time to unravel or unwrap, whichever, okay? Now you are going to unfold or unwrap or unravel what you rolled before. Yes, I know you understand what is going on here. If you do, type I understand at the comment section. Okay, do this one after the other. Unwrap or unroll or unravel and twist anyhow that you like. Okay. After that, you should have these cuties. Okay, at this point, you can bake or you can air fry or you can fry with oil. In a deep hot moderate oil, throw these cuties one after the other. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Alright, after dropping into the hot oil, allow to cook for about a minute or two. Alright, flip them one after the other, fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Look at that. I'm loving it. Take them out of the hot oil. Put in an open tray so that you will maintain their shape. And that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy. The aroma while frying. Oh my word. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well, super crunchy, like the taste is out of this world. And it smells so amazing. Try it and get back to me as usual. You can pair this with tea, coffee, warm milk, hot chocolate, or any beverage of your choice. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.